Hey, this equation looks simple, right? But that is not what it is, because most people got wrong answer. You would think that going from left to right will give us the correct answer. Going from left to right will actually give us wrong answer, because 7 minus 7 will give us 0 times 7 will still give us 0 plus this 7 will now give us 7. This answer is wrong, because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS, multiplication and division has higher priority than addition and subtraction. Don't forget the rule that multiplication and division you evaluate from left to right, and for addition and subtraction you also evaluate from left to right. Now, this tells us that we are going to solve this multiplication before we solve the subtraction, and finally we now do the addition. So let's begin with the multiplication. 7 times 7 will give us 49. We have this addition here, and we have this 7 here. We also have this 7 here, and we have this subtraction here. Now let's do the subtraction. 7 minus 49 will give us negative 42 plus 7, and negative 42 plus 7 equal to negative 35. So this is the correct answer to this equation, negative 35.